What's up, everyone? This is cryptoFOXXY. Thank you so much for stopping back by my channel. So, in this video, we're going to talk about everything that I know about Bitcoin ETF. We had quite the debacle yesterday, and we're going to briefly cover that as well. Talk about what happened and what the possibility that we will see today. Hopefully, we'll see an approval from the SEC. But before we get into it, though, please make sure you smash the like button and you're subscribed to my channel for more cryptocurrency news and all that good stuff. So, it's all systems go for spot Bitcoin ETF approval, senior analyst says. So this is what we're expecting. I'm also going to show you a little bit of evidence that does support this as well. So happy ETF approval day for real this time to those who celebrate. So a senior ETF analyst for Bloomberg has posted to X on Wednesday morning. As far as we know, it is all systems are go. Most likely we will see a formal approval, ballpark around 4 to 6 p.m. today Eastern, with the Derby starting on Thursday. So the Derby is referencing to the competition between spot Bitcoin ETF hopefuls, which in the past is referred to as the Kentucky Derby. That's interesting. So what that means is basically if the ETFs do get approved today, we're expecting to see that after the markets close, and they would obviously start trading tomorrow instead of anytime today, right? Because they're going to, obviously be closed after the approval comes through. So the SEC chair Gary Gensler had to do damage control yesterday following a fraudulent post indicating the SEC had approved spot Bitcoin ETFs. So this is my opinion on this. I think that post looked legitimate, and I think what happened was somebody did gain access to the account, either that or a scheduled post on X got scheduled for the wrong day. I think that post was supposed to be scheduled for today, and it really did look legitimate. It had nice little image made and all that good stuff. And I think the wording sounded proper, and in my opinion, it sounded like it was legitimate. Obviously, somebody had accessed their account and posted the unauthorized tweet. So shortly, so the SEC Twitter account was compromised. Authorized tweet was posted, and this is what was posted on Gary Gensler's post on X on Tuesday afternoon on his personal account. The SEC has not approved the listing and trading of spot Bitcoin exchange traded products. So shortly after the SEC's post, Bitcoin price soared to 48,000 before dwindling back down to 44. So as of early Wednesday afternoon, the cryptocurrency was trading greater than 45,000. So Gensler is facing a lot of backlash about this. So this analyst did offer up some advice to Gensler. If I was the SEC PR person, I'd advise Gary to do a press conference today, talk about the hack. They goofed, whatever steps they've taken, yada yada yada, and also announce ETF approvals and do his usual warnings on crypto that he normally does anyway, right? Because he's always, well, be careful in crypto and it's fraudsters and blah blah blah. So then it's done and done, right? Okay, so here is the anticipation is brewing because of posts like this that are going viral. So just in Bitcoin ETF tickers for ARK, Wisdom Tree, Invesco, Franklin, and Hashdex are showing up on Fidelity trading windows. And I did see another post, another article today that is showing that they are competing with pricing. So obviously, when you go through one of these asset managers, they're going to take a fee, right? And they're basically fighting back and forth, dropping fees, just kind of entice people to go with them or not. So this is really interesting. And I also think because BlackRock came out and mentioned that they are expecting approval today, that does give some legitimacy to it, because I can't see BlackRock actually coming out and saying that about their own product. I mean, they would come out and say, we think, we're anticipating that possibly this could happen or whatever by this date or whatever. We've heard a lot of that, right? But BlackRock actually came out and said, we're expecting to see a decision on Wednesday. So that's what I got for you right now. I'm going to get this video up as quick as I can, and yeah, I'll let you guys know what does happen later on. I will also put a follow-up video on, if we get our approval or not, and we'll definitely go from there and see what happens. Could this be a buy the rumor, sell the news event? Absolutely, but it does give us the possibility for longer term gains instead. I'm not looking short term for me. I'm not looking short term at all. This is not something that I'm trading actively right now because it's too volatile and I'm not quite sure exactly where it's going to go. I'll be completely honest. But we could see a sell off. We could see lower Bitcoin, but I do think that this gives it legitimacy to the cryptocurrency space for Bitcoin to move up gradually over time. They're going to get a lot of new money coming into cryptocurrency, and that's what we want. That's what we want to see. But that's what I got for you in this video. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace.